With a passion for innovative technology and dedicated to challenging organizations to optimize their business processes, Macaw fully acknowledges the power of the Microsoft Power Platform. As a multiple Microsoft Gold partner, with in-house specialists in system integration, Dynamics 365, Office 365, and Power BI, Macaw has developed a number of apps for various enterprise clients. At Macaw, the efficiency of finding rooms increased substantially, and young talent coaches at Heineken are now able to easily share information with colleagues through the app while traveling around the world. In close collaboration with Microsoft, Macaw also provided one of the first enterprise-scale common data service platforms at an international financial service provider. Minimization of databases on a global scale, in combination with the platform, enables the organization to work efficiently and to be transparent and trustworthy at the same time. What's your challenge? Macaw, challenge accepted.
So I want to introduce Michelle, who's visiting here from the Netherlands. We can just chat here, have a bit of a chat and up there. It's been pretty interesting for me to see someone, partner, really start to build up a practice and think of this platform in a fairly robust way. So can you speak a little bit more about, why you chose Power Apps, the Power Platform, and what you're doing with it?
Yeah, well, the same thing as all these stories is we also started just 2 years ago just improving our own processes with Power Apps. So we just made our first Power App, made our second one, made our third one, and it started rolling from there. What we started doing is designing our own business application platform with SQL and Logic Apps, and did all the fancy stuff and made it into a platform and actually wanted to sell it while Microsoft all launched the business application platform with CDS and Flow and Power Apps. So for us, that was a pretty, after all that work, it was a pretty quiet meeting of what are we going to do now. But we decided to just go with the business application platform because, if Microsoft is doing it as a partner, you should do it. And also, like the movie already said, we had all the competence centers already there, because if you think about the Power Platform, for us, that is five competence that you need to have. That is SharePoint, it's Dynamics, it's Power BI, it's system integration, because you have to bring all that data together and get it out there. Like Pat already told you, like there's this entire API layer that needs to feed everything. And another big one is adoption. You need to make sure that business adopts it, and that's mostly about this session. It is not just here you have a Power App license and go do it. You have to really talk to people and show them the power of Power Apps or CDS or whatever layer that you're talking to make sure that they're started using it, make sure that there are super users there, make sure that there are inspirators in that company that start building Power Apps and just talk to people about it. For us, it's also a big change because we're a partner, so we like to make the applications. So this was weird. Now all of a sudden we're teaching companies, we're teaching our customers to create applications, and what are we going to do? Sit around there? But I think Pat illustrated it perfectly, that there's this entire ecosystem underneath Power Apps and CDS and all those great tools that needs to be there. It needs to be secure. It needs to work whenever somebody starts talking to it. And it also is, from an information management thing, that needs to be in order, because all of a sudden everybody has all the information at their hands and start making apps against it and use all your data. So from a security perspective, it's really interesting what's going to happen right now.
Cool, thank you.